So here this is 10th question, first part. You have -1/4 square, then to the power raised to the power -2, then again raised to the power -1. So in this type of question, so simply you have -1/4, okay, then it is raised to the power 2, then again with -2, then again raised to the power -1. So all these powers will be get multiplied, so your exponent will become 2 into -2 -4, -4 into 1, -1 is 4 only, so it will become -1/4 to the power 4. So your answer will be, you have to multiply this 4 times, so it will be -1 into -1 will come 4 times, and the denominator 4 will come again 4 times. So your answer will be 1 divided by 16 into 16, 256. So that's your answer. So you have to solve these type of questions in this way. Now this is the second part. So in the second part again we have -2/3 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 3. So here again we can write this as -2/3 raised to the power 6. Then you can simplify and you will get the answer. Now what if you have this -3/2 to the power 3 and then divided by -3/2 to the power 6. So one law of exponent we know that if you have a to the power m, a to the power n are divided, so the power get subtracted, the exponent gets subtracted. So here it is same. So the numerator, the exponent is 3, and in the denominator the exponent is 6. So it will be 3 minus 6. So the answer will be -3/2 to the power -3. So now we will take the reciprocal of it. So it will be -2/3 whole cube. So now you can simplify it. So it will be -2 3 times, and then denominator 3 again 3 times. So your answer will be -8/27. So this type of questions again you can do. So this is the 11th question. By what number should -5 to the power -1 be multiplied so the product is 8 to the power -1? So in this question you have to find a number by which if we will multiply this, then the result will be 8 to the power -1. So in these questions, first let the missing number be x. Okay, so we have taken this number as x. Now according to the statement, by what number if we multiply this -5 to the power -1, so that will get the result this. So in these questions just do it as given in the statement. Now here we need x, so we will divide this whole equation with this one. So here this will cancel out, so you'll get x on that side, and here we will get this. Now 8 to the power -1 means you have to take the reciprocal of it. So it will be, or simply just do one thing, both are having the same power, so we'll just write it as 8 by -5 to the power -1. So here it will be, if the power is -1, then you have to take the reciprocal. So reciprocal will be -5/8. So that number x will be -5/8. So I hope this one is clear. Now see next question. This is of same type. By what number should this be multiplied to obtain 4? So here again we will take, let the number be x. Now according to the question, by what number this will be multiplied to obtain 4? So it's same as that. Multiply this, we will get 4. So you can find out x. So your x will be how much? I just have to divide it with 3 to the power -3. So now 3 to the power -3 means you have to take the reciprocal of it. So it will be 3 cube. So the answer will be 3 into 27, and the answer will be, so for 28 and for this 8, 108. So answer will be just 108. The same type again you have the next one. By what number should this be divided to get 6 to the power -1? So again let the number be x. Now, by what number should this be divided? So you have to take a number by which if you divide this, the result will be how much? 6 to the power minus 1. By what number should this be divided? So you have to divide this number with something else. So get that result, 6 to the power minus 1. So now we'll solve this. Now here we have to find out the value of x. Here x is in the denominator, so I'm going to multiply this x both sides. So this x will cancel out with this one, so you'll get minus 30 to the power minus 1 equals to 6 to the power minus 1 into 6x. So now you have to find out x. So again we can do it like this, minus 30 divided by 6. Here again the power is minus 1. Here also the power is minus 1. So like the previous sum, what we will do here, the power is same, so we can write this as minus 30 by 6 to the power minus 1. So the answer will be minus 5 to the power minus 1. Or x will be simply, from here your x will be simply 1 by minus 1 by 5. Reciprocal of minus 5 is 1 by 5. So the answer will be minus 1 by. And in this exercise you will get this type of questions to find the missing values when this type of equation is given. So here you can see in this particular question all the bases are same, okay, but the powers are different. So whenever the left hand side is equal to the right side, okay, in the equation that happens, then only it is equal. So we will solve the left side. So on the left side what we have 3 by 5 to the power 3. Here in the multiplication we add the powers, so this will be 3 by 5 to the power raised to the power 3 minus 6. So that is equals to 3 by 5 raised to the power 2x minus 1. Now if these two things are equal, see, you can see this base is equal, 3 by 5, 3 by 5. So the powers will be also equal because it is given equal. Or you can also simply write as comparing the powers or exponents. So here you'll get minus 3 equals to 2x minus 1. Now let's simply solve this equation to get the value of x. So it will minus 2 equals to 2x. So from here you will get x equals to minus 1. So you can solve this type of question in this way. Now here you have one question number 15. Okay, so this is 3 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 5 into 25 divided by this. So in these questions what you will do, this type I've told you already. So you will just write the numbers as the prime factors and the powers will come as it is. This 25 can be written as 5 square, and then 7 as a prime, already prime. 6 is not a prime, so we'll write it as 2 into 3 to the power 5. So now just simply write the numerator. So this is your numerator, and in the denominator we have 5 to the power 7 into 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5. Few things you can cancel out here. So these few things are 3 to the power 5 here also. Here also you have, this also you have. Okay. So now in the numerator, this question we will get 5 to the power 5 plus 2 divided by 7, 5 to the power 7. So both are same, so your answer will be just 1. Now the previous sum was just easy. Now here you have n. This is also easy, but it can become complicated sometimes. So here you can see you have 16 into 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 4 into 2 to the power n divided by 16 into 2 to the power n plus 2 into this whole thing. So here process is same, just write these things. This 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4. Okay, here we'll write this as 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 4 into 2 to the power n divided by 16 again, it is 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power n plus 2 minus 2 into 2 to the power n plus 2. Now here you can see you have 2 to the power n and these terms, so you cannot simplify it easily. Means without taking anything you cannot simplify it. So here what we will do, we will take 2 to the power n as common. Okay. Now here in this you can get problem, so I'll just write it as 2 to the power 4 as it is. Now 2 to the power n plus 1 means how much? We can write this thing as this. 2 to the power n plus 1 can be written as 2 to the power n into 2 to the power 1. Only this part I have written this way. Now 2 to the power n we will write as it is. Why I am writing in this way? Because among these two, 2 to the power n is smaller, so we will take that one as common in the next step. So here we can write this as 2 to the power n into 2 square, because if you simplify that one, the result you will get this one. Base is same, so power will be added, so it will be n plus 2. So here again we will write this one as 2 to the power n into 2 raised to the power 2. Now we will take common, that is 2 to the power n from here, so we will get from the numerator as well from the denominator. We will take both. Now here this part gone, this part gone, this part also gone, this part also gone. So what we will write with the remainder is 2 to the power 4 into 2 minus 4 divided by 2 to the power 4 into 4. I'm just writing 2 square as 4 into 2 into here also 4. Now this part you can cancel out, so what we will get? Here it will be 2 to the power 4, 16 into 2, 32 minus 4 divided by, multiply this one, 16 for the 64 minus 8. So now you can just simplify that one and get the answer. So here 32 minus 4 is 28 divided by 64 minus 8 will be 56. So overall the answer will be, and this can divide it, so it answer will be half, 1 by 2. So this is the 18th question. Here you have to find the value of n. So this is a little bit different than the previous questions. Here you can see this, the base is different, and here you have this number. So in this question, first thing you will factorize this right hand side. So here 125 means 5 3 times, and then 10 is 5 into 2. So if you factorize this one, so you will get this one. So just write it in the exponential form. So you will get 5 to the power 4 into 2. And the left side we have 2 to the power n minus 7 into 5 to the power n minus 4. So in this particular questions, this is the term having the base 2 and this is the term having the base 2. So you can compare these two, and for the result, whatever you'll get, that will be the answer. And also you can compare these two also, so the answer will be same in both the cases. So first I'm taking it 2 to the power n minus 7 is equals to 2. So here on comparing the powers, you'll get n minus 7 equals to 1. So here n will be 8. Okay. Now if you compare the other one, 5 raised to the power n minus 4 with 5 to the power 4. So here in the powers you have n minus 4 equals to 4. So here n will be 8. So in both the cases you will get the same answer. So either you can choose this one or this one. So both way it's correct.